Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so might be this video is important for you because of Tesla are introducing biggest summer update ever I seen first time. In this update, one of the biggest outcome we are receiving, and that one is a Grok absolutely free. No matter which types of Tesla model you have, you receive Grok absolutely free. And remaining update we will see one by one inside the Tesla car. Let's start. So our latest update is a 2026.26.1. If you tap here, release the note, we can go one by one. So first of all, we can enter here the Hey Grok. If you say here, Hey Grok, what's the weather today?
It's a mix of sun and clouds in Rhode Island today, with a high around 23 degrees Celsius and a low near 13. There's a slight chance of showers.
So using this process, you can very easily activate Grok in your Tesla car. One of the important point, if you click here in the gear section, so here previously this one is a disable, like a say Hey Grok to launch the Grok. This is the displaying here. If you scroll down here, so Grok are helping you in radio, Bluetooth, TIDAL, Apple Music, Spotify, Apple Podcast, and so many different applications. The Grok can help you. That would be really nice. First time you need to sign in here using your Grok account via mobile phone, and you can change here so different voices is as well. Which voice you like, accordingly you should decide. I just simply select here this one. So assistant point of view, here the language tutor, therapist, storytelling, kids story times, kids traveling game, meditation, Grok doc related features are available. I simply select here first time in assistant, and afterwards I use day-to-day point of view. This is the one of the amazing features Tesla are introducing ever, and this is the without internet we can access this Grok.
I'm glad you're enjoying the new Grok Assistant in your Tesla. It's designed to work offline for day-to-day help like navigation, climate, or media controls. What can I assist with first?
Can you provide me nearest Tesla supercharging station?
The nearest is Supercharger Rodover in Denmark.
So look at
1
this.
kilometer.
Just I ask here, and then charging station is displaying here. Can you set Rodova supercharging station Google Map route?
Route set to super.
Using Grok, you can do whatever you want. It's really amazing call. Can you please open Apple Music?
Apple Music is open.
Can you play Shakira latest song?
Playing Shakira and Burna Boy's Die Die.
So using this process, you can very easily provide any types of instruction to your Grok, and Grok can help you. This is the biggest update we are receiving ever in Grok. It's very easy. Now next features we can see here in the karaoke application. Inside the karaoke, we need to always upgrade the premium connectivity. Afterward, we can use here in the karaoke features. Second thing, customize WAP. So look at this here, my car is customized color I am doing here. So how you can do, very easy. Enter here toy box, in here paint shop, customize, and which car you like, accordingly you should decide. So I select this one, you can change this one to this, so color is automatically changed. That would be really nice. This color I like, and this is my final one. And look at this, even you can change the color as well here, the battery, the back panel colors, numbers, and background as well. Which one you like, accordingly you should decide like this. It's really impressive, but I select this one. So using this process, you can customize your car. Next thing here, the navigation features we are receiving. You can click here in the navigation section. Inside the navigation, we are receiving here the automatic navigation, automatic route to home, work, and next calendar event as you predicted. That would be really nice. Inside next one, camera preview. So as it is, we enter here in the timing section, then service, and then here the camera preview option is available, and the all camera is displaying here with this one. This is the me, so accordingly you should select here on the camera preview how exactly your camera is working well or not. If it is not, you can clean the camera after exiting this. the car. Next features we are receiving in Apple Music application. This is the Apple Music application. Which song you like, accordingly you should select this one. Simply select this one, and if you press here long, so here 4 options we are receiving here. First one, favorite, play next, play after, and in library. So if I tap here, so this particular song is my favorite, and afterward very easily you can play this song. Next update is driving visualization. If you scroll down here, the self driving, and scroll down here, visualize camera zoom features we are receiving. Inside, if you tap here, 0.5x, 1x, 2x features we are receiving. I personally decide here 1x zoom, it's sufficient for me. So this is the update we are receiving during the summer in Tesla car. If you have any question related on Tesla car, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.